Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. And you are looking at my execution blotter for this week. I'm fairly a new trader. My goal is mainly to keep my account green. So if you look at these three transactions, I was trying gold for the first time and I made like little bit of profit. And if you look at these two trades, which was Swiss franc and I don't know, ZAR, so I made two profit and it was going up like this, and I took the third one and it started going down and I had to exit, so I made a loss of $30 over here. And this one was similar, like it was going up and I got greedy and I wanted to try my luck, and it started rapidly going down and I incurred another loss. So there was a couple of profit here. And guys, most of my trade I do not use a stop loss, because every time I use a stop loss, even though the chart goes as per my wish, it touches the stop loss and I lose money. So I kind of try not to use stop loss. I can afford to do that because my account is very small and I'm not worried about the loss. So I used a stop loss and I incurred a loss here, and there were a couple of profit. This one, it was going in the profit side, and I was, once it break even and touch the profit side, I wanted to take profit, but as soon as I clicked the button it went down. And this is like, I couldn't have done anything better, because the the chart went down rapidly. Like, my hands couldn't have done it. Maybe if you were having algorithm trade for you, maybe you could have done it, but manually sometimes the markets are so fast you can't do it. And these are my other profits. Yeah, so I kind of been quite profitable. Like, my goal is not the amount. My goal is plainly like staying green. And guys, if I can tell, for $1,000 account, if you can make $30-40 profit a day, so imagine, you can, if you scale up your capital, or if you go do a prop firm or something, it looks like I'm quite profitable, because I don't call myself a good trader, but some of the world's best profit making traders, they make 2 to 3% profit or 2 to 5% profit, and I'm able to achieve that. But I think I'm kind of confident and stuff like that, because mine is a small account. Maybe your fingers would shiver when you are having millions at stake. But guys, so far I did incur some loss, but I'm quite profitable. I still managed to stay green, and that was the goal for last week, and I achieved that. Thank you for your time and support. I hope we grow the channel, and I hope we grow this money too. Thank you. Bye bye.